Brazil is located in South America, which with a population of 192 million is one of the most populous and at the same time the largest countries in. The common language of this country is Portuguese and its currency is active and Brasilia is the capital of this country. Brazil has very interesting customs that do not have, so that you can see all aspects and features of this culture in the celebrations and carnivals. The family is also one of the most important social structures in the culture of Brazil. There are many tourist attractions in this country, each of which was unique in its kind. The theater is the same, also known as the Amazon Theater, which is located in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Fernando is one of the most beautiful natural attractions in this country and has a very unique wildlife view. El Salvador beaches are a priority for most tourists who visit this country. You can enjoy water sports and recreation here. Let's get acquainted with the most important and famous cities of Brazil. São Paulo has a population of 12 million and is known as one of the major industrial cities in South America. Rio de Janeiro, 450 years old, is the second largest city in Brazil, located on the Atlantic coast. The city of Brasilia was officially recognized as the capital in 1960 and is one of the most important political cities in South America. With its best hotels, this country has been able to attract the full satisfaction of tourists and travelers. There are many hotels in this country, the most important of which is Emiliana.